it came for all beings orphanage. As you can see, we are so happy. We are saying thank you for the wonderful donation. Now we have the sewing machine. There are 3. There are also tables for the machines. We have also the wheelbarrow. We say thank you so much to Auntie Sheila and donors who gave us this wonderful donation, and all the providers around the world who did this wonderful job. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. We hope that with this, our children will start by learning how to sew, to cut and sew, and be able to make clothes and everything around. Thank you so much. Children, have you said something to say?
Yes.
Say it. Go ahead.
Thank you, God bless you.
What?
Thank you, God bless you.
Okay, thank you so much. We say thank you so much.
Thank you.
And